Hello and welcome to our video about 10 signs that your cat loves you. Cats can be mysterious creatures, but they also have a unique way of showing affection. So let's dive in and explore the signs that your feline friend is showing love. Scene 1. Cat rubs against your legs. Have you ever noticed your cat rubbing against your legs when you come home? This is a sign of affection. Cats have scent glands on their heads and their bodies, and when they rub against you, they are marking you as a part of their territory. Scene 2. Cat kneading. Another sign that your cat loves you is kneading. Kneading is when your cat pushes its paws in and out on your lap or on a soft surface. This behavior is a throwback to when cats were kittens and would knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. So, if your cat kneads on you, it means that it sees you as its caretaker. Scene 3. Cat follows you around. Does your cat follow you around the house? This is another sign of affection. Cats are independent creatures, but when they love someone, they want to be close to them. So, if your cat follows you from room to room, it means that it enjoys your company. Scene 4. Cat purrs. One of the most well-known signs of cat affection is purring. Cats purr when they are happy, content, and relaxed. If your cat purrs when you pet it or when it's sitting on your lap, it's a sign that it feels comfortable and safe around you. Scene 5. Cat gives you slow blinks. Cats have a unique way of showing trust and love called a slow blink. If your cat gives you a slow blink, it means that it's relaxed and comfortable around you. So, if you notice your cat giving you a slow blink, it's a good sign that it loves you. Scene 6. Cat brings you gifts. Cats are natural hunters, and if your cat brings you a gift, it's a sign of affection. Cats will often bring their owners dead mice, birds, or even insects as a way of showing love and appreciation. Scene 7. Cat headbutts you. When a cat headbutts you, it's called bunting, and it's another sign of affection. Cats have scent glands on their heads, and when they headbutt you, they are marking you with their scent. So, if your cat headbutts you, it means that it trusts you and sees you as a part of its family. Scene 8. Cat sits on your lap. If your cat sits on your lap, it's a sign of love and trust. Cats are sensitive creatures, and they will only sit on someone's lap if they feel comfortable and safe. So, if your cat chooses to sit on your lap, it's a sign that it trusts and loves you. Scene 9. Cat talks to you. Cats are not known for being vocal, but when they love someone, they will often talk to them. If your cat meows, chirps, or makes other noises when it's around you, it means that it's trying to communicate and connect with you. Scene 10. Cat grooms you. Narrator. Lastly, if your cat grooms you, it's a sign of love and affection. Cats are meticulous groomers, and if they groom you, it means that they see you as a part of their family. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this,